There are certainly areas of the shoot in which I could improve, but I do think working with the actors was one of my strongest areas. Maybe it was because I picked a lovely cast, which was an important consideration during the auditions, but collaborating with the actors to communicate so as to develop mutual trust and respect, which can be found in section D8 of the Director's Skillset Handbook, was genuinely really fun. I think as a new director, I benefited from talking through the process out loud, but that also helped the actors to understand the process and give their best performances. For example, I was able to tell them the specific shot was wide, so it needed more energy, and this then allowed them to predict when to expend energy so that they didn't run out. This is another example of working to the requirements of a director, as seen in point 8. Make sure that the actors are aware of the technical requirements of a scene and provide the actors with information about their movement and speech. I think in terms of post-production, I've been okay. However, from this shoot, I have learnt lots about the post-production process and therefore what is expected of me, so hopefully next time I'll perform much better. As I mentioned in the video diary, coming into this shoot, my knowledge of the post-production process was shaky to say the least, so I was anxious about what was needed from me. But where I fell short in technical knowledge, I think I made up for it in communication, and I'm happy with how the edits are looking. As I do say though, this was a trial run, and next time I'll be far more confident in my ability to supervise the process and to give feedback and communicate, and also to do so in a timely manner. This would correspond to the requirements demonstrated in section D10, as you can see here, which involves supervising the post-production process. But without a doubt, my biggest area for improvement needs to be in pre-production. There we go. My input into the pre-production planning section, which is D4, was, to put it nicely, lacking. Which led to confusion, bad morale, and basically a wasted test shoot. This is completely down to lack of technical knowledge, and although I've already started putting in research to fix this, I think the best way to improve overall is just through practice. This is the point of the shoot though, and although this is clearly a red skill at the moment, I'm glad to have discovered it now while I have time to fix the issue.